Welcome to Spyder Auto's headlight installation guide for 03 to 07 Infiniti G35 models. Before we get started, you'll need a few things for your installation: a 3/8 drive ratchet, 10mm socket, and a panel popper tool. Before starting work, be sure you have a soft, non-abrasive surface to work on. This will help you avoid scratching or damaging your lights while we're working on them. Start by locating and removing the 3 plastic clips in the fender well. Here comes the first clip. Now we'll remove the second clip. The location of the third clip is marked here by a red arrow. Now pull back the fender liner and remove the 2 10mm bolts securing the bumper to the fender. We recommend you use an extension to reach the 10mm bolt tucked further back into the fender. Now disconnect and remove the side marker light as shown. Now locate and remove the 6 plastic clips on top of the bumper, using the panel popper tool as shown. Now locate and remove the 10 10mm bolts which are holding the front bumper to the skid plate / splash guard. Unfortunately, our test vehicle was missing this hardware. Set the front bumper aside on a soft, non-abrasive surface and now remove the 4 10mm bolts which are securing the headlight. Disconnect the headlight harness and remove the factory headlight. Now we're going to transfer the HID system from your factory headlamp to your new Spyder headlamp. Remove the 3 Phillips screws securing the ballast to your factory headlight. Now flip the ballast over and remove the Phillips screw securing the harness to the ballast. Unscrew the light bulb access panel and remove the HID harness. With the harness removed, now we need to remove the HID light bulb from your factory headlight. Now moving over to your Spyder headlight, feed the HID harness into your Spyder headlight. Plug the HID harness into the ballast. Then, take the Phillips screw and secure the harness to the ballast. Seat the ballast and reinstall the 3 Phillips screws that secure it to the headlight. Now transfer the HID bulb locking pin or clip. Now it's time to transfer and install the HID bulb. Now seat the rubber cap, and while you're at it, check to make sure all the seals are secure and any vent hoses are facing down. Now connect the headlight harness and seat the headlight. Now reinstall the 4 10mm headlight mounting bolts. Reinstall the 2 10mm bolts that go in the fender well. Be sure to reinstall the side marker. And don't forget the 3 plastic clips on the fender liner. Now reinstall the 6 plastic clips on top of the bumper. Don't forget to reinstall the 10 10mm bolts on the underside of the bumper, securing the bumper to the splash guard. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your set of Spyder custom headlamps for your Infiniti G35.